10 to the negative 3. This is also in 10 to the power negative 3. So does it make sense for you to get this into 10 to the power of negative 3 as well? Huh? Understand? So you need to get it into 10. So this is 10 to the power negative 3. Okay. Then this one also in 10 to the power negative 3. Sorry. This is also 10 to the power negative 3. But this one suddenly is 10 to the power negative 4. So therefore you need to get this into 10 to the power negative 3. Okay? Understand? So that because over here what you have one term, 2 term, and 3 term. So you want to get all the terms into 10 to the power negative 3. And I'm going to show you how. Actually not too hard, right? Like 4.37 times 10 to the power negative 4. So you just get it into 10 to the power negative 3. So when you get this power into 10 to the power negative 3, that means from negative 4, so from negative 4, you increase by 1 order of magnitude. That means you force it to increase by 1 order of magnitude. So therefore this one must reduce by 1 order of magnitude. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Because over here you increase by 1 order of magnitude, you force it, so you must reduce for this by an order of 1 magnitude. So reduce means make it smaller, so it's 0.437. So you can also use the calculator to double check whether this transformation is correct or not. So I key in. So first I key in 4.37 times 10 to the power of negative 4. And it give me can you use your calculator, see what you get from here? Can you tell me the answer for this one? How many zero? How many zero?
3.
Very good. So it's 437, right? Right?
Yeah.
Can you do the same thing for me here? The below one? To double check whether this transformation is correct.
It's also the same.
Okay, good. So that means my transformation is correct. Like over here, you increase by 1 order of magnitude. So here must reduce by 1 order of magnitude. So 4.37 reduced by 1 order of magnitude is become smaller, so it's 0.437. Yes. So therefore I already converted to 0.437 times 10 to the power negative 3 plus 2.16 10 to the power negative 3 over 3 times 10 to the power negative 3. So far so good. Okay?
Yeah.
And from here onwards, you know what you can do? You can do the HCF. Can you see you can do the HCF here? Can you see? You can take out what? If you do the HCF, can you see you can take out the 10 to the power negative 3?
Yeah.
So you get 0.437 here, right? Plus the 2.16. Can you see or not? So you take out the 10 to the power negative 3, that means this is gone. This is gone. So therefore this is what you're left with. So basically the numerator becomes 10 to the power negative 3 times 0.437 plus 2.16. Clear? And then below, so you have 3 times 10 to the power negative 3. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Can you help me out with the plus, the sum here? So it's 10 to the power negative 3 times what? Give me the sum here. Use your calculator. What's the answer? Should be 2.597.
2.597.
Very good. Then below is 3 times 10 to the power negative 3. Can you see both 10 to the power negative, 10 to the power negative 3? Can you see you can cancel? Then after that, you just use your calculator. Can you help me out? 2.597 divided by 3. What's the answer? It should be 0.8656666. Continue.
Yeah.
Dot.
Yeah.
So now you need to get it into standard form. How to get it into standard form? Standard form, once again, the standard form format is, it must look like a times 10 to the power of something, right? And the a is in between 0 and 10, right? So therefore, now you need to give it, so you force this one to be 8.6, because 3 significant figures, so it's 8.6. So this is 8.66. Okay, so 8.66 times 10 to the power. So can you see I force this one to increase by 1 order of magnitude. So my this 10 also reduce by 1 order of magnitude. So therefore this is the answer. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how you do this question. Okay. But actually, the more, I would say the more interesting part is the transformation. Get it to -3 throughout. Then after that, use the HCF. Then after that, then you just solve it.